Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to crochet ice cream keychain. So let's get started. We are going to start crocheting the top part of the ice cream. So first we'll make a magic ring. To make the magic ring, wrap the yarn around your two fingers. Then insert your hook below the first loop, pull the second loop and twist it. And then we'll make one chain. So here is our magic ring. Now into this ring we are going to place 8 single crochets. Insert your hook into the ring, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through both the loops. This is the first one. Like this we are going to make total 8 single crochets. After completing the round, we'll pull the short end and close the ring. Now after completing each round, we are not going to make any slip stitch. So we'll directly start round 2. We'll place 2 single crochet in each stitch for this round. So we'll insert our hook into the first stitch and make 2 single crochets. This is the first one. Now I'm going to mark the stitch. Into the same stitch we are going to make one more single crochet. Come to the next stitch and place 2 single crochets, and like this we'll complete the round. For round 3 we are going to place 1 single crochet into the first stitch. We'll mark the stitch, and into the next stitch we'll place 2 single crochets, that is an increase. Into the next one we'll make 1 single crochet, into the next stitch make 2 single crochets, and like this we'll complete the round. Round 4 and round 5 we're going to make 1 single crochet in each stitch. For round 6 we'll make 6 single crochets and 1 decrease. So first we're going to make 6 single crochets. And then we're going to make a decrease. So insert your hook into the front loop of the next stitch and then into the front loop of the next stitch. Then yarn over and we'll pull through first 2 loops. Yarn over again and pull through the next 2 loops. So this was the decrease stitch. Now from the next stitch onwards we are going to make 6 single crochets and then 1 decrease. For round 7 we are going to work only into the front loop of all the stitches. So these are the front loops. So into the first stitch we'll insert our hook into the front loop and make a slip stitch. Then make one chain. Come to the next stitch and place 2 double crochets into the front loop. Again into the next stitch we'll make a slip stitch into the front loop. Then make one chain and 2 double crochets into the next stitch in the front loop. And we are going to repeat this for the round. Once you are done, then chain 1 and cut the yarn. And then hide in all the loose ends. Now we are going to work into this back loops. So we'll insert the hook into any one of the stitch, and then I'm going to take the color yarn, place it in this way, yarn over, pull through that stitch, yarn over and make one chain. Now for this round we are going to make one single crochet in each stitch, starting with that same stitch. For round 9 we are going to place 5 single crochets and then 1 decrease. So we'll start with the first stitch. Now after making 5 stitches we are going to make a decrease. From round 10 to round 13 you are going to follow the pattern on the screen. After round 13 we are going to do the stuffing. Now we are going to continue from round 14 to round 17. And once you are done, then we'll cut the yarn and pull it. And then using the yarning needle we are going to close this little gap. Then we are going to hide in that loose end. We are done with the tutorial. I hope you like this video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.